Good evening, Namaskar, my dear farmers. I am Dr. Kishan Chandra, Director, National Center Organic Farming. It is a subordinate office of our Ministry of Agriculture. It is located in Ghaziabad. Today, I want to just discuss you about the properties of the neem. Neem is found our part of India. And it is a very useful neem seeds. Whatever the neem seeds are available in the different parts, it has a different value. Major part is people are using in the factory this neem seeds to make a preparation of azad, azadirachtin, that is a 500 ppm, 300 ppm, 1000 ppm, 1500 ppm, 10,000 ppm, up to 50,000 ppm. It is only due to the technical chemical present in these seeds, that is azadirachtin. Besides this, it is a other component. If you take a seed, it contains your protein, lipids, contains your lignin, cellulose, about 43%. It has one more, this, as I told you, chemical azadirachtin. So that azadirachtin, when you process in the field, they make a different preparation with the technical of azad. How to make this? Using this our neem kernel in the house to prepare a good insecticides, pesticides for this. What we have to do, we have to take this neem seeds and preparation. I will show you how to prepare this your extract from this using the neem kernels in your home. This also contains your about 4% to 5% of nitrogen. So this is a very useful. As you know, in your village, lot of agencies are approaching you and they are asking this neem kernel. What they do, they just take a neem kernel from you in 10 paisa, 15 paisa, 20 paisa per kg, and they are selling in very high cost. It is one bottle, it costs about 500, 600, 1000 rupees, depends upon the ppm. So now when you prepare this solution at your home, it is not required any neem oil from the market. And not only this solution, this kernel, how to prepare it, use it in your field, that also I am going to show you. I know you are using already neem kernel, but lot of my farmers brothers are not aware. They are not just throwing it outside, they are not using it properly. So that is very useful. This neem extract, you know, the neem leaves we are already using in our pesticides preparation, your extract preparation. Now kernel also is required to prepare it. That I will show you, demonstrate you how to use it. Now I will show you the neem seeds. We have taken it and we have make a fine powder. Like this, you have make a fine powder. Just grind it. It is not finely grinded. You have to grind it. As fine as you grind it, it is very useful. So we have grinded it, and now we are going to use it with the waste decomposer. So as I told you, this neem seeds, after crushing, we have put inside this our earthen pot. You can use earthen pot or plastic pot. Don't use any iron pot, because iron will turn this solution into black. So now we have put inside about 2 kg of kernel, finely grinded, along with 5 liter of our waste decomposer solution. So this neem kernel, it is not required only 2 kg. I have just for demonstration I show you. What you have to do, minimum you take a 10 kg of this kernel, or 15 kg, 20, as much as possible. And everything after crushing, making a fine powder, put in the drum. Better to put in the big drum. When you are putting in the big drum, And after 20 days, when after 20 days is over, try to just shake it every morning and evening. So after 20 days it will ready. All the your nutrition and your main thing, whatever I told you, it contains cellulose and lignin. It will decompose completely. After decomposition, its nutrient will come out, particularly azadirachtin. You will see in the liquid, and that azadirachtin is good for all plants. It controls all types of disease, particularly pest and insect, so that it can be used in place of neem oil. It will work better because I have used only this waste decomposer solution, because waste decomposer contains organic acid, and by natural when organic acid acts on our seeds, neem seeds, it decomposes the neem seeds. After decomposition, all nutrition, even proteins, comes out with the azadirachtin. So that solution we are going to use as a 5% of the solution on the field. So if it is more, there is no harm. What we have to do, we take the 5. After 20 days, we are going to extract it. I will show you after extraction how it looks, but you can try it after extraction. 5% of the solution with the water or with the waste decomposer. 5 liter of our this solution, 45 liter of waste decomposer solution, and 50 liter water. If you spray in 1 hectare of the land, 1 acre of the land, you will find the lot of diseases will go away. And as it is a neem kernel and is good for health, it has no side effect to the plant.